Usimbot Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ubadai Pedro ke Tehlakam Poyeng ubah Prestone tinsong ulaong bagi Pulit ke Jylla kila bante Tehlakam ki Beain Henry wala ki don apusau kinta ki Beain ki juja nakwe ke Porsche ke weipat Henry la pintikna bagi Tehlakam Trishi Tom ban pin sange amardor ki Khaii Beain ya Dewiong ulaong bakarai ban court ya ki sipai jong ka CISF kadai ka jingtha jong ka High Court Henry ka sarkar ka yang scam bagi Tehlakam Pulit jong ka Jylla ka la ban Tehlakam ya kini ki Beain.
Well, in fact, as I said to you, even I replied in the assembly recently, I said our police force is equipped enough. We can do it. But the only point here is, even if the police force is 24/7, see, criminal activities still keep happening. You need to also understand that. You don't know when is the thief coming to your house. So you need to understand that. You know, humanly speaking, we are trying our best and we will make sure that illegal mining activities has to stop at any cost. See, as I said to you, that is again the order of the Honorable High Court. But I'm telling you, let me assure the people of the state that the state police are equipped enough to handle any situation.